Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video by Poseidon Crypto Lottery. Did you miss me, guys? I was sure missing you. So guys, let's jump in. We have a very interesting video about one of my favorite friends on trading, and that one is the Fibonacci retracement line. All right, so first of all, guys, if you haven't joined our Telegram group, click. It takes only 1 second. Just click, go to our Telegram group, or you can always join us on Twitter, on Reddit, on Instagram, and on TikTok. We are available for you guys 24/7. So guys, what is the Fibonacci retracement lines? As you can see, that's the Bitcoin price, that's the Bitcoin chart, and you can see that most of the time you can see we have levels. Like you can see here, we have going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, going down, going up. It's really organized. All right, basically Fibonacci is basically giving us a way to know if we are done with, for example, going down. Look at this beautiful Fibonacci line. Fibonacci basically is taking all the numbers and giving them some order. What basically we can do, we can measure from a top to a bottom. You know, this is clearly a top in major time. That's clearly a bottom. And let's see if the Fibonacci lines was really holding the trading. So you can see we started the downtrend. We reached the Fibonacci here, the line here. We went up to this Fibonacci. We went again here. We stayed on the Fibonacci line. We went down. We got support from this Fibonacci. We went a bit up. We went down. We really played very beautifully around the Fibonacci line. We made another attempt for the higher Fibonacci. Then we made another drop down to the green Fibonacci. And then we released all the way down. Now, what I think here, that this is going to be a major bottom, because it looks like it really worked nicely when it went down. You can see we really played the major area of the drop was around the 3 Fibonacci line, the 0.6, 0.5, and 0.3. Okay, so the Fibonacci basically dividing the up and the down and giving us the medium area and the high and the low. So basically you can see that we really made our the more area and the major area that we were during this downtrend was around these prices between 48,000 to 36. We managed to be there for a long time, like a ping pong, going up and down and up and down and up. And eventually, once we broke the lower Fibonacci, boom, we crashed. Okay? Now we had another way to see this crash coming is by drawing this line 1, 2, and 3. Once we broke this line here, we made very powerful drop. Like this is a plunge. We made a 39 all the way to 25, which is percentage-wise, in like 7 days, we dropped like 35%. Okay, so if we are selling here, this is a good entry. And now when we know when the drops are done, when we draw a Fibonacci line, like you see here, we had a bottom around here. Okay, so if we draw like a few weeks ago, this one, you can see that the Fibonacci wasn't really major here. Yeah, it was really nice here and here, but we didn't have all these lines. But when we drop it to the second bottom, we can clearly see that every time we reach this Fibonacci, it got us the power to go a little bit higher. But eventually, once we released the third Fibonacci, it was over. Now, we need to see if this is really a bottom, how we know where it's going to go up. So, there is another Fibonacci tool that we can predict where the price will go up. And this one is the pitchfork. So we take the top and we take the bottom, and then we can see here all the problems that we're going to have in the uptrend. So basically there is this major line here. That's going to be the final line. If we will be able to go across this line here, it means that no more going down. But in the beginning, we first of all need to get all those lines here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines that we're still need to go above if you want to see an uptrend. Okay, so it's a long way before the Bitcoin gonna go to be another uptrend. But at the moment, right now, it looks like the downtrend is over. If you're looking at the Fibonacci, it looks like the downtrend is completely over right now, because we really did it nicely from the top to the bottom. It really worked nicely from the top to the bottom. So it looks like that's over. We're gonna reach again and try to get to this area again of the 42. That's our pivot area. From the 70, from the 68 to the 17, that's our pivot area. That's the price we wanna try to be again. So basically, right now the potential of going to 43 is much higher than dropping below the 17. So we're gonna keep an eye on that, and we're gonna see you on the next video. Have a good one.